I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating to Data and Privacy. Once there, tap or click History Settings, then Web and App Activity. This step shows what Google saves and why it matters for personalization and search suggestions. Make sure you're on a secure device. Then locate the toggle for Web and App Activity and the link for Manage Activity. Begin by pausing activity recording so new searches stop being saved immediately, which prevents further history accumulation. Once you toggle off Web and App Activity, Google stops logging future searches to your account. Next, select Manage Activity to inspect existing entries. You'll see queries, timestamps, and device information. Use the filter options, date range, product, or search terms to find what to remove. To delete specific items, select them and choose Delete. To speed cleanup, use Delete All Time or set Auto Delete to remove data older than 3, 18, or 36 months. This automates ongoing cleanup. You finish by enabling Auto Delete with a retention period that suits you, 3, 18, or 36 months, so older searches are removed automatically. Make sure to confirm any manual deletions, and then clear your browser's local history and cache if you want searches removed from that device's storage. If things go wrong, check other signed-in devices and account sync settings, because synced devices can reintroduce entries. Sign out everywhere and redelete if necessary, then sign back in with the pause enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.